In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design your Flutter app icons in Figma. First, open your design in Figma so everything you need is at hand. We'll begin by setting up a clean, predictable canvas. Create a new frame that's exactly 1024 by 1020. 4 pixels. This high resolution square is the standard target for Apple and Google. And it keeps your exports simple. Next, add a safety guide. Draw a 1020, 4 pixel circle, center it in the frame, and lower its opacity or set it as a guide. Most systems mask icons into a circle or squircle, so this guide shows what stays fully visible. Keep your key elements logos, letters, and main shapes comfortably inside that circle. Now let's design with both platforms in mind. You can reuse one image if you prefer, but tailoring for each platform's behavior gives you a more polished result. For iOS icons, fill the entire 1024 by 1024 frame with your background color, gradient, or subtle texture. Let the background reach every edge. iOS no longer adds gloss or borders, so your canvas defines the entire look. With the structure in place, design your icon using Figma's shape tools, vectors, and color styles. Pull from trusted community sets like material design icons to keep style and geometry consistent. Aim for a balanced silhouette, clear negative space, and strong contrast, so your icon reads instantly. To sanity check, zoom out to simulate smaller sizes and confirm it stays recognizable. If details vanish, simplify shapes instead of shrinking them. Consistent alignment, even stroke weights, and restrained effects like soft shadows or subtle gradients help your icon feel crisp and professional. Then scale your primary logo or glyph to roughly 75% of the frame, about 750 to 800 pixels across. That size keeps it bold while avoiding trims from iOS's rounded corners. Keep it centered, maintain good contrast, and avoid thin borders right against the edge. For Android adaptive icons, think in 2 layers: a background layer and a foreground layer. The background can be a solid color or simple pattern that reaches the full frame. Place your main logo on the foreground layer and scale it to about 50%, roughly 512 pixels. Android applies parallax and scaling for adaptive icons, so that extra breathing room prevents clipping and preserves legibility during motion. Different launchers apply different masks, so this padding keeps your icon consistent across circles, squircles, and rounded squares. Keep the foreground centered and avoid tiny details that can shimmer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.